Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. So today, guys, I'm here with my Jamaican sister. We're at a furniture place. She needs to get a nice couch. We're in a place called Victoria. Victoria Furnitures, Office Furnitures and Solution. And work inspired. That's what it says, family. So this is it. We're gonna go inside, family, and see what they have. And if you're coming to Kenya and you like to come and get your furniture, your luxury furniture, you can actually come to Victoria Victoria Home.
How are you?
I'm fine. You?
Welcome to Victoria.
Thank you.
Yes.
Sweetie, that's the one.
That's the price for this?
Yes.
Just this alone?
Yes.
That's what? 400 and...
That's designers. It's premium sofa. Yes, Italian design.
Oh, okay.
Victoria Home Store.
Everything local? Locally made?
Locally made.
Alright, let's look and see if we can find something at a nice price.
Two-seater, 100,000. Two-seater, 68,000. And then this one is 83,000. You are allowed to sit and feel the comfort.
Comfort, feel the comfort, sweetie, feel the comfort. It's a two-seater. Feel the comfort. Oh, comfortable. Oh, this is a piano right here. Casio piano. Casio.
The good thing, it comes with the clothes.
Oh, it comes with the clothes?
Yes.
This is grey, right?
This is great.
And look at the foot, sturdy wood foot. Oh, it feels, sweetie.
It feels nice. Why don't you want
It feels nice.
to feel? I love the fabric.
Yeah, the fabric.
It is nice.
Yeah. This one is for 70. This is a one seater.
Even that one is
We can choose two of us.
Yeah, two.
bigger than this.
Like a two-seater.
It's 1.5 chair.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? This is leather.
Yes, it is. And then the other one is fabric.
Yes, it's leather.
It's nice.
How it feels? It feels nice. This feels good. Throw pillow. Let's throw pillow.
I like it, but it's too big. It's too big.
You can separate it. You can separate this touchable.
Leatherette. Yeah, family. So we're actually in Victoria. Was it Victoria Courts or Victoria Home?
Victoria Home Store or Victoria Courts. We are changing the name from Victoria Courts to Victoria Home Store.
Oh, you guys changed the name to Victoria Homes.
Yes, to Victoria Home Store.
Oh, Victoria Home Store family. So that's the new name. The new name is Victoria
Home Store.
Home Store. Victoria Home Store. From Victoria Courts to Victoria Home Store family. So that's the new name. New name. Prime deal. That one is prime deal.
This is what I was telling you. Can separate it like this.
This one is a little bit smaller.
This way you can use it as a chair.
But sweetie, Dr. Mattress has couch too, right? Dr. Mattress has couch too.
Yeah.
So however, where you buy the mattress, they also have couch too, so you can look if you like. Yeah, this one.
No, this one's
Oh, fabric. This one is fabric.
yes. Very easy to maintain.
Not like the leather.
You can use it in both home and office. Yes.
Oh, it's like a bed. I like this is my favorite couches. You know, I like these things. So I can lay down and stuff and relax. Yeah. Oh.
We have this and that one.
Ah, sofa bed.
And we also have this one.
See, this is a sofa bed.
We
Yeah,
also
flip
have
it up.
another sofa there that can open into this bed.
Ah,
Look at the other one.
ah, sofa bed. It's short though. Eh? 3 by. Guy, this one. How much? 2,000? 16,000.
Nice. That's for your kid to feel.
You can also try this as compared to the one you sat on earlier. This is not as deep as the other one, so it's more
Okay,
comfortable.
this one is more firm. How it looks, really. Relax. This is for pregnant mothers.
It's nice.
Yeah.
I like taking it to my hands, right?
Yeah. You have recliners too, right? This is recliners. Recliner. Buy now and for if you want to make down payments, installments. Yeah, families, our Jamaican sister gonna go with this one, this color. It's matching the curtain.
The fabric of the curtain is like this, and it has that kafila.
Yeah. That throw pillow is very nice. That color. That color for the throw pillow. Yeah, it's very unique and nice.
Yellow.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. Look at the foot family.
That's
Look
what I
at
was
the
telling you, the
design and
finishing.
stuff. It's finishing.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Wood.
Yes, family. So, oh, it's very comfortable.
Look at even that on the woods.
Okay. Like I don't want to come out of the city right now. So if you come to Kenya and you want to get settled,
If
if you want to do installments,
What's the procedure?
what's the requirement?
We have many types of experiments. The first one, we have Aspira. We check on your investor statement, bank statement,
Okay.
then ID. Then they will check on your CRB status and also your finances, how you use them.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So if you qualify, there is a certain amount they will give you. They will pay to. If they approve you that amount, they will pay to our company. Then you go with the product.
What if I'm financing myself? If I'm financing myself,
It's the same.
it's all the same.
So, what is ICB?
And
What?
also when they check with the Aspira, they check on your ID. It must be Kenyan ID.
Okay.
So a foreigner cannot.
No. For Aspira. But for now, we have a FlexiPay. FlexiPay, you pay within 90 days. We keep the product for you here until you clear.
90 days, that's 3
With
months.
them, we don't check on any.
That one you don't check it.
And check
because
it.
we have the product.
Oh, you have the product. Okay.
Okay.
So that one is only 90 days. Do you do it for like 12 months? You don't do it for so long. 12 months.
No, the other one is 90 days.
That's 3 months. I can see the whatever.
And it's 0%.
We have FlexiPay, and we also have Lipa Mosmos.
So it's, as you can see, family, it's 0% interest for 90 days. Yeah, family. So you know what I mean. As you can see, there's so much actually. You know what I mean. I like how people do business in Kenya. I like the way they do business. Not too much. You don't need to provide so much documents to get something. So I really like that about Kenya. When you're buying anything, you don't have to have a lot of requirements. They want this, they want that. Just an M-Pesa statement and you can get what you want, family. So, you know, as a local, you know, what else you need? You know what I mean? So I really appreciate that, you know, with businesses in Kenya, they actually give people a break when it comes to getting stuff. Even when it's expensive and you want it an higher purchase, you can actually get it, family. So that's a very good to know, family. That's very good. Okay. Yeah, family. So we actually on actually on first floor. How many store up? 4 store.
No, up is 3 now.
Okay. Okay. Wow.
Second
That one.
floor is design gallery.
Mm-hmm.
Must book appointment.
Okay. For you to design what you want.
Yes.
Okay. This is a bed. I love this wood. Miss Jam does she love this wood. What kind of wood it is?
It has a certain expensive feeling. Maybe he can the brown. The dark brown.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just
You still like the fabric downstairs?
And then I fall it down. My husband will just do I don't put in that face.
Yeah, family. So Miss Jam was enjoying herself looking at
Things.
nice and expensive things. Yeah. Yeah, just lay down.
When you have this, I guess we should just sleep here.
Yeah. 2 of us can't sleep there. It's nice. Yeah. Oh, yeah, this is a good big families. This is a big family sofa. Whoa. And it comes with this at the side here. like a storage. Yeah, it's too big.
You can arrange it the way you want. It's all of them advertised.
Ooh, the touch. Yeah, wow. Yeah, I want to create a home that I don't want to come out. Yeah, family, so it's nice. 298. Sweetie, you can't get up. You want to get up or you can't get up? Which one? Can you get up by yourself?
Yes.
Get up, let me see. You're not pregnant.
You're not pregnant. So nice.
This one.
What is the different design?
Oh, this is clearance zone. Clearance zone. Clearance. Clearance. Over here is clearance. Over clearance. Run, come, run, come. Run, come and see clearance. This one is clearance for 87. Yeah, from this one is for clearance, as you can see. Okay, okay. Recliner. Yeah, family. So as I said before, you know, we have some clearance here. And if you come into Kenya, you can come look at these clearance. 3-seater, 2-seater. Oh, look at this one, 72. This one is a recliner. So 72 for these two. Go upstairs for the custom built. What's this? You like this one? For 72, okay.
Not really.
But even if you have like this,
I feel like they normally mash out.
this and that one. Alright, family, I hope you're enjoying this vlog. And if you need to get your furniture, Victoria Home Store is the store. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. I'm out.
Chill here.
It's comfortable.
Not really. Not like the other ones. To be honest. Not like that. Not like this.
Pay later. Apply, pay. So you can buy now and pay later, family. Okay.
Only today.
From today to 31st.
How many discount off?
That's a huge discount. For these two. My different now. Oh.
Recliner. It's about some of the
I'm saying. Yeah, this is for Amish. Stays there and sleeps so comfortable. I'm saying at this time, it's best like now in this like Victoria Courts, Furniture Palace, you know where we know we have high-end furniture. It's best to buy at this time.
Oh, this
they
time,
have
end
offers.
of year.
Yeah.
Yeah, families, you hear that?
They have offers.
So if you're looking to purchase furniture, end of year time is the best time. You save up and you come and buy. Your dream sofa, your dream this, your dream that, your dream bed, anything you want, family. So this is Victoria Home Store in Kenya, and if you want to live luxury, you can live luxury, family. These are the beds and stuff. You can live luxury if you want to live luxury. Victoria Home Store is the store. It's the store of all store. So you can pay monthly 5,000, offer price 47,000, and you save 27,000 family, as you can see. Alright, so guys, this is it. If you decide to come, you won't miss nothing in your country. You still can live luxury and enjoy the Holy Land. You can live luxury. You can live luxury and still enjoy the Holy Land. Right here in Kenya, right here in Africa. You know what I mean? So let us know. If you come in, we can help you to get set up. Take you where to find whatever you want to find.
On this side where the fridge is. On this one. On that one. Yeah.
It might be too wide, right? Too long.
That it might go through the pathway. Do you think so?
Well, I think this, you know what I mean?
Do you think it will cover the...
You want to make a semicircle like this?
No.
Like,
so this one to go on this side of the window, right?
So this is going to go right before the window.
Yeah. And then this to come here.
Would be right where the fridge is at the side of the fridge.
At the side of the fridge.
okay.
Do you think it's long?
No, I think it's I think it will work. That's the size. Mm-hmm. And then now, can you see you're not gonna put a table, right?
And you're not putting a table at all.
Just a
It will
Just a center.
simple.
A carpet and all that.
Yeah.
I don't think it will happen. I don't think it will happen. And then the floor.
Have room for a table. It's not that big.
It congests the place.
Yeah, just get a tray.
Yeah.
A
small
tray you can open up and close.
Yeah.
You can sit in the living room and eat.
Okay. Yeah.
And I love the colors of the...
Yeah. But you can check in storage, sweetie. You can check in you don't like to share them in Dr. Mattress.
Dr. Mattress, I love their beds.
Well, you need to check Decor. You never go in Decor.
Very specific when it comes to like buying stuff.
Yeah.
You see me with furniture like dining table.
So what do you recommend for people who come into Kenya? Where they go to buy furniture?
Okay, Ashley's is extremely expensive, but yeah, they're good. Ashley's, Victoria Home Store, and Furniture Palace.
What about Decor? You never been to Decor yet?
I've not been there, so maybe I can't really say much.
Okay. All right, family.
But I normally love the whatever's from here. They look elegant.
Okay.
They look elegant. They're unique. Not just like anything you just collect from the road and stuff.
Yeah, family. So hear from Miss Jam Tours. Hear from the best.
This comes with those two.
And that's four. And these are the two. They are.
This will come with
Covers. You sell different covers?
we still covers, but this comes with this covers.
Yeah, but I want it. It's too...
Or you want to change?
I want something to pop.
All right, family. So we're just gonna see what we're gonna get, and then we'll come back to you. All right, we are out. Yeah, family. So we're actually here in Victoria Home Store, and I was telling Miss Jam Tours that when you buy furniture and hire purchase in Jamaica, you pay for it 3 times.
You pay for it.
But Miss Jam Tours is telling me that you just pay the same price that what you see here. So with this,
This 260. You see,
it's 260.
332. Right now it's 260.
Yeah.
Believe it. And then
If you pay down 32,000 a month
that's what you'll be paying until you finish.
for 12 months.
Yeah. And you save 72k.
Yeah.
So even if they return this price, you'll still continue paying with this.
Oh wow. So you hear that, family? Wow. That is actually so good to know, family. That is like interesting. No interest. In Jamaica, you pay for this 3 times until them actually go and come. They send bailiff to come and take it out of your house. Yeah, family. So that is it for all appliance here. So that is in Kenya, Sweden. Maybe I need to try that method, Sweden. Look for something expensive. And make a down payment. And pay if it's small. Yeah. Wow. Let's do that then. We need to change our couch anyways. So let's do that. Let's do that, family. Let's do that. Wow. This one has have the bed by itself. Yeah, I like it. It's by itself. I like this one more. Yeah, so let's do this. Yeah, family. So we actually at the Decor section, family. The Decor section.
You can even feel this is very light.
Yeah.
And if you touch something like this, it's very heavy. This is what it does. Bloom you are planted. And here what it says, see what it says, family. Lovely to look, delightful to all. If you break it, consider it sold. If you break it, consider it sold. These are all the Decor family. Nice Decor. Home accessories. Home. Yeah, family. Victoria Home Store. Victoria Courts. Miss Jam Tours tired. Oh, look at this table. They have this one too. They can sit around like this. Like a big family can sit around this table. Look at it. This is a table.
We almost feel that this if we are to buy it.
Yeah.
So there is